Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I'm walking down the boardwalk today because it's such a, honestly, it is such a beautiful day. And yes, it's fall, so it's getting a little colder, but someone sent me a message saying, hey, could you film what Surfside Pier looks like all closed up? And so I figured, why not? We do this every single year anyway. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Special thank you to my patrons on patreon.com, because then we can do videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, go ahead and click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Even though it's fall, we know you can't wait for Christmas, and so we're pleased to announce our new Christmas ornament for this winter. It's the Welcome to the Wildwood sign at Rio Grande when you come in. That is joining the other new one for this year, which is all the Wildwoods on one pole. I actually like this one better than the other one. Altogether, we've got 4 Christmas ornaments for you to check out on our Etsy page, and I'll put the link in the description below. I'm going to start this video off by stating that just kind of walking down and up the boardwalk every single day, I haven't noticed too much here on Surfside Pier outside of the norm. You know, we do this every single year, this tour, and right now really we're looking at the normal takedown and kind of refurbishment slash maintenance of Surfside Pier. Looking at the pier right now, I mean, I could point out many things. I don't know if you can. First is Atmosphere's flag is off. If you look at it, its gondolas are also off and removed. Kanga Bounce here, all its gondolas have been removed and they're actually sitting right there in front of us. All the chairs are moved over here, all the benches. If you look at the Rock and Roll, they removed all of the cars. They're probably more than likely going through either maintenance or maybe going through some kind of paint. You name it, they're doing that. Looking over at Kong, they removed those cars as well. So nothing out of the norm. There are some dumpsters on the side because, yeah, when you're refurbishing things, you're going to throw some stuff away. But let's walk down in between all of the fences and see if we notice anything different. This is looking down the pier. Can't really see too much going on. You can see over here some ride parts. But not too much going on this side. I think most of the refurbishments are going to be Rock and Roll, and they're doing a lot. I think the Wave Swinger on Mariner's Pier, it's kind of maintenance here, you know. There's a lot they've been doing to Adventure Pier, so I'm assuming they're going to continue that in the off season, though I have nothing on that just yet. Here's more parts of different rides. They put them on here instead of, you know, putting them in a shop. Makes more sense. Looking down, you can kind of see one of the rides here being taken apart. More likely maintenance. You see the boats back here have been removed. And the Tilt, all its cars look like they've been removed. The Balloon Race has its bottom balloon baskets, I guess you could call that, removed. They're really gondolas. They're on the other side. Looking down the pier, not too much. I do wonder if they are going to get a new ride here, because this has been the same ride here, I feel like, since I was a kid. Now this gate is open, but we're not heading that way. We're just going to stand right here. These are the baskets or the gondolas. Looking down, you got more ride parts. Not too much on this side. We're going to make our way to 26th Street in the boardwalk, and you know, obviously this part is fenced off, but on the side note, they actually are working on Sam's Pizza. Maybe the railings or the awnings, something like that, but they are doing some kind of work behind me. I always look down Dino Beach just because sometimes they have ride parts sitting on the edge. Like, you know, we're still thinking about what Morris is going to do with that. Kind of like the plane. But looking down the beach, I don't really see much. Got some wood, so they're replacing some boards. It does look like, though, on Joe's Pizza, they're adding in this siding here. Maybe they're closing that in fully. You can see they're adding in that back wall. And they did that as on top as well. So that way they can kind of close that. That way, when it's bad weather, they can still be open. There you guys go. That's Surfside Pier. I want to end you with one little thing. Sam's Pizza is actually getting a whole paint job. You can kind of tell. paint job. They're fixing up all of this stuff. So it's going to look really great once it's done. But I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right over there. I'll see you later. Bye.